Hello everyone. In today's video lecture, we learn about various troubles in electrical motor, their causes and remedies. So, before we start to know about various troubles of motor, we need to know that most of these troubles are identified by the regular inspection and regular maintenance of the motor, and we rectify it before any problem occurs. So here the main areas where fault occurs due to various reasons. Among of them, first one is low insulation resistance. It is the most occurred in electrical motor. Second is over current. Third is overheating, vibration of electrical motor due to mechanical failure, moisture, dirt, lack of maintenance, and other environmental conditions by which various troubles occurs. Let's we know about it in details. Low insulation resistance. So, what happened when low insulation resistance in motor? It leads to a leakage current in the electrical motor and short circuit in the coils. Finally, motor is malfunctioning and it's an failure of electrical motor. When the motor is old and its insulation is weak, eventually breaks down due to some reasons and does not provide an required isolation between the conductors and motor winding. Then, for new motors, initially the resistance of the motor is in order of thousands of mega ohm. It's generally higher than 1 mega ohm. But after some time, as per the uses of the motor, it will be weakness in the insulation resistance. So, due to this overheating and physically damage, it will be decreased to some mega ohm to ohm or kilo ohm. So, what we want to do to prevent this condition? The answer is regular inspection of electrical motor and regular maintenance of electrical motor. Overcurrent. Overcurrent is another cause of electrical motor fault. So, when motor works with an overload condition or overcurrent condition, then higher than the rated current flows from the winding of the electrical motor. For safe and efficient use of electrical motor, we need to work with maximum current for which motor is designed. And overcurrent may occur due to various reasons. First one is low voltage supply. When torque is high and voltage power supply is very low, then motor draws a very high current to achieve its rated speed. It's an first reason for overcurrent. Second one is when short circuit condition happens. So when short circuit condition happens in the electrical motor, conductors are short circuited and the current drawn by it is very high. So what happens when overcurrent pass from the motor? An overcurrent condition leads to overheating of the motor and finally its damage and insulation of the electrical winding of the motor. So how we can eliminate this condition? We can prevent this condition by putting an reliable overcurrent protection circuit. When overcurrent happens, then this circuit will detect it and it interrupts the power supply and stop the current to flow from the electrical motor. So, when electrical circuit overprotection circuit is detects an overcurrent, it will cut down the power supply and the current from the motor will be stopped. So, to provide the safe operation of electrical motor, we just connect an overcurrent protection circuit. Overheating. Overheating is the third reason for electrical motor fault. Overheating is the electrical motor fault is due to over voltage or under voltage condition of power supply. If the power quality of the electrical motor is bad, then motor gets heated. If the supply voltage is higher than the rated voltage, then higher voltage will drop in the electrical winding and it result in the heat dissipation. Another reasons of electrical motor heating is overcurrent. When overcurrent is given in the electrical motor, then I square R type losses will happen in electrical motor, and this condition will finally gets an heated electrical motor. Another reason of overheating is overloading condition. When motor works with an high load condition, then its design, then it gets an overheated. Operating with an hot environment, then it's an another reason of overheating of the motor. When temperature will continue to increase as heat is generated and emerges in the motor, causes further increase in the temperature, and it will damage the insulation of the motor. It is recommended to use an ventilated area or ventilation system of cooling fans if the environment is likely to get hot. An overheating condition may happen for longer period of the time, then it will permanently damage an insulation of the electrical motor and also damage an electrical motor. Vibration in electrical motor. Vibration in electrical motor is mainly due to mechanical issue. When motor is installed in an unstable surface, then motor starts in vibrating. Another one is loose bearing and misalignment of the motor condition. Physical damage in internal parts of the electrical motor is also reasons for vibration in electrical motors. Vibration in electrical motor decrease the accuracy and efficiency of electrical motor. Sometimes it creates an cause of total mechanical failure of electrical motor. Moisture in electrical motor. The moisture can cause lots of problem in electrical motor by causing corrosion of various static and rotating parts of the motor. First, in static parts, it leads to an short circuit condition between the windings of electrical motor, and in rotating parts, it will corrode a bearing of motor shaft and rotors. This condition prevents a motor to use an in smooth rotating condition and operates in smooth operation. It decreases an efficiency of motor and sometimes it leads to complete failure of motor. Fault in the electrical motor due to dirt. Dirt such as and dust or other debris can block the flow of air in the motor cooling fans, and finally it leads to an overheating of electrical motor. When dust introduced inside of the electrical motor, then it will slow down the motor and slows the rotating part of the electrical motor. Means it needs to work harder, and to overcome this resistance it requires an higher power. So finally it decreases the efficiency of electrical motor and it leads to an overheating of electrical motor, and sometimes this dirt particle will damage the insulation resistance. So here we learn about some troubles in electrical motor and find that most of are in due to electrical or mechanical failures, like low insulation resistance is due to electrical and mechanical both. Overcurrent is due to power supply failure. Overheating is also due to overcurrent. Vibration is a totally and mechanical failure. Moisture and dust are due to mechanical and environmental. Low of maintenance and extreme operating environment are also an maintenance part of the electrical motor. Among of them, most of are eliminated by the regular inspection of electrical motor and regular maintenance of electrical motor. By doing this, we can eliminate most of the electrical troubles and smoothly operation of electrical motor.